Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so they're going to ask Pep Guardiola ahead of the match against Arsenal how he takes the visit to the Emirates. So Babako Commerce say going to the Emirates is one of our toughest games. At the same time, he got to say Arsenal are a good team. They man-mark players sometimes, but overall, Arsenal gets this really good template. So you say the way that they play, that's what they play. They don't really get plenty styles. So they have a clear identity of what they want to do on the field of play. So you understand what is them they come, and it is just really the truth because the way we approach games, even if we go tweak some little things, it is usually the same way. So we are always in the attacking sense. You know, they play 10 men behind the ball. We know they gang up on players, all those kinds of things. Like, will they allow you play your game, or play our game? Anybody want, we make him win. If you go outscore us, make you outscore us. Now so game's supposed to be, make it sweet. Let me say we just come pack the balls, gang up on players. At the end of the day, you got to say yes, we play good football. So I'm making a reason waiting about the talk. See, the Emirates is one of their toughest games. Like anytime when the season don't start, even they look the calendar, I think we just check when will they play Arsenal again. Will they home or will they away? Those are some of the first things he checks. And this is testament to the fact, say, waiting the Arsenal fans they do for the Emirates Stadium, they produce that energy where they shock opponents. It is very key. So we'll just see how the match will be tomorrow. At the same time, we'll monitor what players go do, what teams go play today. Like Tottenham Hotspur, where they play Luton Town, I expect Tottenham Hotspur to beat them. If they beat them, they go leapfrog Man City, enter first. Man City can't get a response against Arsenal. Manchester United versus Brentford, I see Brentford producing a shocker because Manchester United don't know what they do. Although Rasmus Højlund actually scored 2 goals in their last Champions League match. So we'll just see how everything will unfold. At the same time, so Jamie Carragher can come outside and put in hats for the ring because it does say for this match we Arsenal go play against Man City. So he go put in hats for the ring and he go for an Arsenal win. Because the reason we make and they choose an Arsenal win is just the fact say Manchester City are not coming to the Emirates with Rodri. And for the fact say na Emirates, home advantage for Arsenal, come on. See, they will really ride on the wave where the fans go put in place for them, where they go enjoy themselves and succeed. So for that reason, you don't really see any other way than an Arsenal win. And with the fact that Bukayo Saka is back, certified okay and fit by the Arsenal medical department, and we'll see how we get Jesus. In fact, people keep forgetting that this season, I don't think we've ever had the trio of Martinelli, Gabriel Jesus, and Saka starting at the same time. And we know, say, Martinelli and Gabriel Jesus get this special connection. We never really enjoy that thing again. So I'm seeing it for the first time happening against Man City. Who knows? I just didn't prophesy. So I didn't see that kind of thing happening, but just to watch at the end of the day. Do you subscribe to Jamie Carragher line of thoughts? Say as long as we're playing at the Emirates without the Rodri for Manchester United, Manchester City, saying they see Arsenal win, although you don't talk how many 0 or whatever, but when they see Arsenal win, do you subscribe to that line of thoughts? Now, Pep Guardiola, they're going to ask him, say this match when I want to play against Arsenal, is it crucial to the title race? So Baba can explain, say no, say as the match be now, you don't really did that crucial. Say if they lose, they can still catch up. If Arsenal lose, Arsenal can still catch up. After all, they were gapping Arsenal with 4 points until they lost against Wolves. 4 points can disappear 10 to 1 point. So the one way go dey more important than the return leg, based on like go depend on where them dey by that time for the thing, But that one, if you get really get meaning, towards the title race. Now the way we interpret that, I actually subscribe to the line of thought because this is just like maybe match day 8. So I don't really regardless of whoever loses, it don't really mean anything for now. But for us now, we don't need to lose because if we lose, we go dampen our confidence. Because they said the last time we beat this Man City, I'm talking about 2015. The last time. So I don't understand. So we need to make sure say we keep a very good, like we bridge the gap and make sure so we collect better results for this one. Alright, so William Gallas also will be one of the former Arsenal players. Come talk say for this match, say the way we in the see and we say Arsenal need to perform against Man City. Like, they need to beat Man City to be taken seriously as title contenders. So for that reason, now winning of Arsenal in the final. But the truth is, you can actually lose against Man City and still win the league. So make people know hinge everything on winning against Man City. So that one 9-day dependent, that is the sole requisite. Like saying that the only requirements we need to win the league. No, you are playing 38 games. Man City now just 2 games out of 38, which means you still did left with 36 games. So Man City can still lose against Arsenal and win the league. Arsenal can lose against Man City and win the league. Not be our lose against Man City and finish us last season. Now those back-to-back games we will draw, those 3 games that will just scatter our season. You get, not be Man City gone. You get Man City that one another different case. You get, but you see those back-to-back draws, all those things we will do that time. It was very, very crucial. It dampened our momentum, caused us to panic, plus the injury to Saliba. So it was not solely say because we lose against Man City. And the same people they bring that kind of arguments. I mean, they was dead on arrival. Yes, you can lose against Man City and win the league. Try to understand that. Yes. So now the fact of the case is that nobody is supposed to argue that one. Although I subscribe to the line of thought say we need to at least collect a win or a draw. You get, it will be very, very important for our own morale. You get, to let us know say yes, this Man City, we know they no beat us. So that one said they key, especially if we want to keep our unbeaten hopes alive. That is why when Paul Messi come and talk say, you see this Man City, we don't really need to win them. Just don't lose. Arteta self reiterates the same thing. If you can't win, don't lose it. Get, now that mentality shift say you don't need to lose. Get, now be the cocoa, win or draw. Get, it's okay. There is no way Arsenal will draw this match. Arsenal fans upon the vex. No, everybody will be proud, will be happy. Say yes, we drew against the best team in the world. So it is what it is. Alright, William Saliba can't come back and say almost said that last season. When they out on the sidelines, going to see Arsenal they play games with the no compete against Man City. Almost said the same pain I'm gone. I say pain now. But notwithstanding, this is a new season. You get, we already see the first battle between Saliba and Erling Haaland for the Community Shield, and Saliba actually won that battle hands down. In fact, at some point Erling Haaland and Saliba will be wrong, go back. So we are expecting the same battle. Happening this time around, but you know, say Pep go fit tweak some things. You go see na Eliana go be 9. Alvarez will just play false 9 on that day. Go see Alan come enter midfield. Okay, so I'm seeing something like that happening because I know who Pep is. He like to tweak some things to go in his favor, but I can't stop. I just wish man see the match now today. Don't say make I see that Eliana and Saliba battle. Cannot say it will trend. Alright, Zinchenko also come and say for this match we Arsenal won't play. Say fans are going to be very, very crucial for Arsenal. Like fans, because they're going to be very, very important because they need to produce an amazing atmosphere. And at the same way, Arteta talk for a media setting say the fans are very, very important. We know so that they always make this place come alive. So this match we won't play, we still need their help. Get to push us. Don't be so that because and one thing will affect us now. If Man City go score early goal, no matter the fans feel just quiet small before they will come back. But if Arsenal can't score the first goal, everywhere will be rocking. So now maybe me I say, but let's just keep watching. Alright, so Mikel Arteta come and talk about Thomas Partey. We can talk say Partey is surely ahead of schedule. Because people ask and say, Partey go play fine. Yesterday they talk say Partey and Saka in contention, but confirmed the news be say Partey is ahead of schedule. We are expecting Partey to play again. So they rest time because of this important game. So they keep him come play this match. So we'll see how it will be. They are not say Partey will display, will show them why he be Partey, and we don't really miss. Like I think that guy missed like maybe 5 or 6 games, but he's back now. Alright, Martin Keown also come and say the Arsenal vs City game say they very, very massive for Pep Guardiola because if he lose against Arsenal, what it means is the fact that he has lost 3 games in his last 4 games. Because remember saying he lose against Wolves, lose against Newcastle, if he don't lose against Arsenal, it could be very, very disastrous. When was the last time we Pep lose 3 out of last 4 games? That is why Pep would like to win this game to show everybody say he still be the top dog. Say he still did there in the scheme of things. Now what Matthew and they say and Arsenal need to stop that from happening. You see the truth about this game, say any of these 2 teams can win. Even said I forget to tell that say for the press conference, Pep when they explain say for this Arsenal squad, say he knows Zinchenko, he know Gabi. That the 2 Gabi, he know Gabriel Martinelli and he know Gabriel Jesus. Say the rest, he don't really know them for Arsenal. Like know them, like get this relationship with them, you get, so you go do somehow different. Even they could tell Arteta since 2015 I never beat this Man City. How he sure say I go beat them. Arteta could say most of the players wey dey Arsenal now, they no dey 2015, so all those records they talk, it no really concern them. But this one na sheshe dey and they no get joy for this match. They go like to display. So that's the word. My mom be say, "Sha no lose, win or draw. If win or draw happen, I go dey very very happy. That 1 point, so we draw. That 1 point we will see dey behind them. Oh, Carragher enter after international break. Dem more dey go like that. Anything can happen again. Na the way me I dey see am. But if we can't go lose, don't be say we don dey 4 points behind them. And that's the one I no want." Alright, so McLaurinson got the talking for him, say in they see this match ending 1-1 draw, you get, because the match will be somehow drab. Everybody, this Man City would like to cancel Arsenal. Arsenal will try to cancel Man City, so now what's him they see. Although people like Peter Crouch get their own different opinion. Peter Crouch is talking for him, or he they see this Arsenal versus City match ending in 2-2. So it's not gonna be boring match. It goes go plenty. He's seeing end-to-end stuff, attacking football, nothing like defensive packing the balls, get, and we will miss it. I see him. Yeah, so end-to-end stuff. Arsenal will create chances. My prayer is let us bury these chances. That be my own prayer for this our sweet Arsenal squad. Alright, Darren Bent, maybe one of the top sports, should I say journalists or should I say pundits? So let's just keep it the pundits. So back on comments, I talk about Pedro Neto. Sorry, talk say this Pedro Neto did too good for Wolves. And saying they hope, say truly, with the news when they see, say Arsenal will end up signing the player because the player will be very, very important for Arsenal as a cover for Bukayo Saka because it will be very, very good. In fact, some people can't even go for that. Talk about Jared Bowen of West Ham. Say make Arsenal go even sign that one. Say that one will make sense for us. They want to say sign Mitoma, but Mitoma go 2 calls and Mitoma not even the play Saka wing. So Jared Bowen, Pedro Neto, these are the people where they talk say if Arsenal can sign them. And don't forget, we are still in the mix to sign Takefusa Kubo of Real Sociedad. They play for La Liga. So these are some of the names you don't throw out there. Say Arsenal won't sign, and at the end of the day, January not too far. We'll see whether Arsenal will really put their money where their mouth is. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll get out.